Good day everyone, welcome to our presentation on the cloud-integrated fruit cocktail machine. We're excited to share how our project combines automation and cloud computing to improve beverage preparation. In this session, we will discuss how our existing system, the challenges we faced, and how cloud integration enhances its functionality. By the end, you'll see how this technology makes fruit cocktail machines smarter and more efficient. Before we begin, let's introduce our team members and their roles in this project.
I am Janelle Arreglo, the team leader of this project, which oversees the entire project, assigns tasks, and ensures that the development process stay on track.
I am Christine Eruja, the researcher of this group. I conduct studies on existing fruit cocktail machines, identifies problems, and gather data to improve the system.
I am Joshua Tiwan. I am the hardware developer for this project. I work on the physical components, including the microcontroller, sensors, and pumps, to ensure the machine operates smoothly.
I am Marluis Andrea, the software developer of this group. I focus on cloud integration, mobile app functionality, and data processing to enable remote monitoring and user interaction.
I am Christian Lee Patigdas, the System Integrator Group. I ensure seamless communication between hardware, software, and cloud service, making sure all components work together efficiently.
Here's what we'll cover in today's presentation. First is current system and challenges, explanation of how our fruit cocktail machine works and the issue it faces. Second is cloud integration and proposed systems, how cloud computing improves our machines in efficiency and functionality. Third is demonstration and workflow, step-by-step explanation of how our system operates. Fourth is feature enhancements, potential improvements to make the system even smarter. Lastly is conclusion, key takeaways and final thoughts on the project. Let's get started with an overview of our fruit cocktail machine.
So here's the overview of the fruit cocktail machine. Our fruit cocktail machine is designed to automate the process of mixing and dispensing fruit-based drinks with precision. It operates using an Arduino microcontroller, which controls the dispensing pumps based on input from sensors. These sensors monitor ingredient levels and ensures accurate measurements for each drink, preventing waste and maintaining consistency. Originally, our machine functioned as a standalone system requiring manual operation. However, with cloud integration, we have enhanced its efficiency, allowing remote monitoring, automatic ingredient tracking, and smart customization through a mobile app.
So, here's the challenges without cloud. Despite being functional, our current system has limitations that reduce its convenience and scalability. Let's look at the key challenges. So first, no remote monitoring. Users must be physically present to check ingredients levels. If ingredients run out unexpectedly, users must manually refill them without prior alerts. Second is manual ingredient tracking. No automated system to log ingredients usage or send alerts when supplies are low. Users need to check stock levels manually, increasing the risk of shortage during peak demand. So, the third one is limited customization. Only pre-programmed drinks can be made with no way to save personalized drink preference. Users cannot modify ingredients portions based on personal taste or dietary needs. So now that we've identified these challenges, let's analyze our system's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to better understand why cloud integration is the right solution.
Before we move to the solution, let's analyze our current system using a SWOT analysis. So here are the strengths. Automation improves efficiency and reduces manual work. Consistent drink quality and accurate ingredient dispensing. So, these are the weaknesses. Requires a stable internet connection for cloud features. Initial setup cost for cloud integration. So, next is the opportunities. AI-driven drink estimation based on user preferences. Smart analytics for businesses to track popular drink choices and ingredient consumption. Lastly is the threats. If cloud services fail, the machine may experience downtime, competition from traditional fruit juice and cocktail machines that don't rely on the cloud. This analysis helps us understand why integrating and cloud technology is the right move for improving our machine's capabilities. So this is the proposed cloud integration. Our solution is to connect the fruit cocktail machine to the cloud, allowing real-time data tracking and remote access. The main upgrades include IoT connectivity. The machine will send ingredient levels and status updates to the cloud. Database integration. Cloud storage will track ingredient levels and usage data. Mobile or web interface. Users will control the machine remotely and customize drink recipes. With these improvements, users can monitor ingredients in real time, receive low supply alerts, and even create personalized drinks, all from their phone or computer.
So next is system architecture. Now, let's look at how the cloud integration works. Our system consists of several key components. Cloud services use IoT communication. As IoT Core or Google Cloud IoT allows the machine to send real-time data to the cloud. Cloud database, Firebase or OWS. DynamoDB stores ingredient labels and user preferences. Compute services, OWS Lambda or Google Cloud Function process user requests and automate function like low stocks alerts. Cloud storage, OWS S3 or Google Drive API stores logs and user recipes. For example, if a user selects a drink, the request is processed in a cloud. The system checks ingredient availability, update inventory and sends instruction back to the fruit cocktail machine, all in seconds.
How our cloud system works. First, user selects a drinks on the mobile app. The user taps a button on their phone to order a fruit cocktail. The request is sent to the cloud database, Firebase, and OWS DynamoDB. Second, cloud processes the request and checks ingredient availability. The system checks if enough ingredients are available. If an ingredient is low, the user gets a notifications. If all ingredients are available, the system sends a command to the machine. So here are the future enhancements. Looking ahead, we have several ideas to improve our system further. AI-powered recommendations suggest fruit cocktails based on user preference and past orders. Voice control integrations allow users to order drinks using voice commands. Make me a tropical blast. Multi-ingredient auto-refill system. A built-in mechanism will automatically refill frequently used ingredients from a backup container, reducing manual refills and ensuring a smoother experience. These upgrades will make the system smarter, more interactive, and even more user-friendly.
To summarize, our cloud-integrated fruit cocktail machines enhances drink customization, enables real-time ingredient tracking, and allows remote access via a mobile app. By leveraging cloud computing, we solve key challenges and improve efficiency.
Our systems offer scalability, automations, and a user-friendly experience. Remote monitoring and real-time data tracking eliminate the hassle of manual ingredients management.
Looking ahead, we plan to introduce AI-powered drink recommendation, voice control, and automated restocking alerts to further enhance user convenience.
This project is just the beginning. The integration of cloud computing in smart appliances opens endless opportunities for innovation.
Thank you for your watching our presentations. We appreciate your time and interest in our project. We'd love to hear your thoughts or answer any questions.